Hi everyone, and welcome to Become an M&A Analyst, the Complete Skillset course. My name is Ali. I'm a former M&A analyst and later associate who worked on various M&A deals ranging from 30 million up to over $1 billion. I worked on the sell side and on the buy side in deals across 8 countries, including the UK, the US, Italy, Spain, France, the Netherlands, Dubai, and Turkey. I have deal experience in various industries, including power generation, electricity and natural gas distribution, hospitality, food and beverage, and the tender process of concession assets such as pay tolls, ports, and marinas. As you know, M&A industry is one of the best paying businesses on planet Earth. It's also one of the most competitive and demanding industries out there, and probably one of the toughest ones to land a job in, even at an internship level. There are other courses about investment banking you can find online, so why this course? Become an M&A Analyst, the Complete Skillset course is an M&A advisory focus course, meaning that we won't be covering other areas of investment banking, which in turn enables us to focus on and cover pretty much everything about M&A advice. Most alternatives offer only valuation-based material. No theoretical information, no information about a proper M&A process, and no presentation skills, which will make up a great part of your possible future work, of which all are included in this course. This is a one-stop shop that includes everything you will ever need, sliced and diced and presented with the simplest possible structure. In the second section, we will cover mostly theoretical concepts and learn about the different type of M&A deals and why and how they are executed, by going through some real-life examples. In the third section, we will cover the entire process of an M&A deal, step by step, with detailed explanations of the documents and agreements executed at each level. I mean all fancy stuff, NDAs, teasers, IMs, SPAs, SHAs, and learn about the parties involved in M&A transactions, and of course about their duties. Then in sections 4 and 5, we will master the 2 most important tools in M&A advisory business, Microsoft Excel and PowerPoint, by learning some of the most commonly used tricks and features. From sections 6 to and including 9, we will learn about the 3 main financial statements and how they are connected. And by using these statements, we are going to learn how to conduct ratio analysis. From section 10 to and including 13, we will learn about financial modeling and the 3 main type of valuation methodologies: discounted cash flow analysis, precedent transaction analysis, and comparable companies analysis, by building all of them from scratch. And finally, in the last section of the course, in section 14, we will hone our Excel and PowerPoint skills by preparing some first-class presentations and charts that are commonly used in M&A transactions, including a valuation materials presentation and a teaser. There are plenty of supporting materials, including over 70 Excel and PowerPoint documents and over 60 quiz questions. By the end of this course, you will be ready to rock any analyst associate level M&A interview. If you already have a job, you'll just get better and faster at it. If you're a business owner, entrepreneur, you will learn what it actually means to buy or sell a business. Taking this course will be one of the best investments you will ever make on yourself. Enroll now and start changing your life.